Hello everyone, welcome back to the ENG channel. In this video, we will show you how to get all your products data from Shopee to Odoo. There are two types of products, which are products with variants and products without variants. Watch this tutorial video to see how to successfully pull both types of product data from your Shopee shop to Odoo. Right now, I'm in the front page of Odoo. Let's click on the IZI Marketplace module. Then I'll click on the Shopee shop that I want to pull my products information from. You can see here when clicking on MP products that it is empty, meaning that there are no information on my marketplace products in Shopee listed here. However, if you look at my shop in Shopee, there are a variety of products I'm already selling. There are products with variants like this chocolate cookie. One is the original flavor while the other is the full chocolate flavor. And I also sell products without variants like this adapter. So if my Shopee shop is selling products, how exactly do you connect your Shopee products to Odoo? To do this, let's go back to your shop in Odoo. In here, you'll see a button saying Get Products, which I will click on. Once it's done loading, click on the MP products again, and now you can see that it isn't empty anymore, and the product data we just saw in Shopee has already been pulled to Odoo. Like this adapter. The adapter has the basic information such as the internal reference, the sales price, and the product status, which is normal or active. You can also view the logistics and dimensions, the description that's seen by customers in the shop, the variants if there are any, which in this adapter's case there aren't, and the wholesales. Now let's take a look at the products with variants like the chocolate cookie. The basic information of this product is also shown in here. However, in the variants tab, you'll be able to see the variant name and each of their internal reference and their varying prices. Your variants can also be viewed when clicking on the Variant Smart button right here. Now let's take a look at one of my products, the bell helm. The status in this one says unlist, not normal like the previous two products. Now if I go back to my Shopee account and type in bell helm, you'll see that the status of this product is archived. Therefore, the information about the product status in Shopee can be obtained in Odoo. And that is all for this video on how to get both your variant and non-variant products data from Shopee to Odoo. Thank you for watching and have a great day!